While cases of COVID-19 have been steadily decreasing in Merthyr Tudful, we still need to do all that we can to contain this virus. As you may have heard, community testing restarts here from Wednesday the 3rd of March. This follows a hugely successful testing programme in November and December last year, where over 32,000 tests were carried out. Those tests identified 696 people with coronavirus. That's 696 people who had no symptoms who could have potentially gone on to infect countless others. This shows us the importance of community testing, and so we ask once again for the support of the whole community to ensure an equally successful programme this time around. Strategic locations across the county borough have been identified, and our testing teams will be moving around the area to ensure that we test as many people as possible. The centres are of course for residents and anybody working in the county borough. We would especially like to encourage anyone working in a customer-facing role, including taxi drivers, bus drivers, those working in food outlets, retailers, or those currently operating click and collect services to get tested in order to keep you and your customers safe and well. Details of the locations can be found by visiting our website, and information will be posted with this message. A reminder that these centres are for people with no coronavirus symptoms and no booking is required. If, of course, you have symptoms, then you should visit one of our mobile testing units, and the details again can be found on our website. We'll keep you posted on any updates regarding the centres on our website and of course via our social media channels, so please follow us for the most up-to-date information. Thank you again, as always, for helping to keep Merthyr Tudful safe.
Diogelu eich hun ac eraill. Diogelu Cymru gyda'n gilydd.